Welcome to the world of precision sanding with the best Orbital sander, a game changer in woodworking and finishing projects. Experience unparalleled efficiency with its state-of-the-art dust collection system, ensuring a clean and healthy workspace. Say goodbye to dust clouds and hello to a pristine environment. Crafted with ergonomic design and shock-absorbent features, this Orbital sander takes user comfort to new heights. Tackle extended projects effortlessly thanks to its user-friendly build that minimizes strain on your hands and wrists. The smooth and clean finish achieved by this tool is a testament to its high-performance capabilities. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, this Orbital sander is your go-to companion for flawless results. Join the woodworking community and share your experiences with us. Comment below about your favorite feature, like our content, and subscribe to our canal for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Let's build a community that celebrates the art of crafting with the best Orbital sander. Number 4 in our top today is the GoGonova Orbital Sander. The GoGonova Orbital Sander is a powerhouse tool that seamlessly blends power, precision, and comfort for an exceptional sanding experience. Its robust 3.0 amp, 360W motor, capable of reaching up to 13,500 revolutions per minute, ensures reliable performance on both contoured and flat surfaces. With 6 variable speeds, this Orbital sander guarantees that your projects align perfectly with the required speed, providing optimal results every time. What sets the GoGonova apart is its efficient dust collection system, featuring a cyclone box that both blows and collects dust transparently. The extra vacuum adapter takes the dust directly to your cleaner, leaving your workspace impeccably clean. The transparent design prevents clogging, keeping you on track for smooth operation. Crafted with user comfort in mind, the premium palm material effectively absorbs shock and reduces vibration during operation. The ergonomic rubberized grip with a soft gripping surface, TPE, ensures steady control for extended tasks, enhancing overall comfort. Equipped with 15 sanding discs ranging from 80 to 120 grit and a quick change function with hook and loop design, the GoGonova provides versatility and convenience for various applications. Achieving a swirl-free finish and even texture, this Orbital sander proves to be an ideal choice for sanding and polishing wood, furniture, metal, or removing paint. Elevate your craftsmanship with the GoGonova Orbital sander, where power meets precision for a flawless result every time. Number 3 in our top today is the CRAFTSMAN Orbital Sander. The CRAFTSMAN Orbital Sander, a key component of the V20 cordless system, stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for a range of sanding tasks. With a 5-inch sanding pad, this cordless random orbit sander delivers a maximum of 12,000 OPM, ensuring swift material removal for enhanced productivity. One of its standout features is the high-performance dust collection system, incorporating an onboard dust bag and compatibility with 1.25-inch vacuum hoses. This design not only keeps your workspace clean, but also provides the flexibility to connect to larger vacuum systems for more extensive dust control. Designed with the user in mind, the sander boasts a low profile and lightweight build, offering added control and reducing vibration during operation. The dust-sealed switch adds durability, ensuring longevity in challenging work environments. For added versatility and organization, the CRAFTSMAN Orbital Sander is compatible with the VersaTrack wall organization system, allowing for convenient storage and easy access. Although the clip and accessories are sold separately, this feature enhances the overall functionality and user experience. Number 2 in our top today is the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander. The GALAX Pro Orbital Sander is a powerhouse tool that redefines high-performance sanding with its robust 280W fine copper motor, capable of delivering up to 13,000 rotations per minute. This exceptional power ensures efficient dust removal, making it an ideal choice for smoothing rough surfaces on wood, metal, and plastic, as well as for removing paint, stain, or varnish. Equipped with a 125mm diameter sanding pad, this sander excels at tackling large surfaces and hard materials swiftly. The orbital stroke rate of 13,000 OPM and a 1.25 mm orbit diameter contribute to its impressive sanding capabilities, providing precision and speed. The built-in dust collection system, coupled with a user-friendly collection bag, not only prevents dust clouds from obstructing your view, but also simplifies cleanup after each use. Disconnecting the collection bag and disposing of its contents is a breeze, ensuring a tidy workspace. Designed for user comfort and control, the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander features an ergonomically designed handle with a rubberized soft grip that fits your hand perfectly. The dust-sealed switch minimizes contamination, and the conveniently located lock-on button allows for continuous use, enhancing operator comfort during extended tasks. With its high performance, versatility, and thoughtful design, the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for a variety of sanding applications. Subscribe now for the latest insights and expert tips. Join us. And finally, the first place in our list is occupied by the BOSCH Orbital Sander. The BOSCH Orbital Sander is a masterclass in achieving a smooth finish on both flat and contoured surfaces, thanks to its innovative pad dampening system designed to eliminate swirl marks. This feature ensures that your woodworking and finishing projects attain a professional and flawless quality. Facilitating ease of use, the BOSCH sander employs the signature hook and loop disc attachment system. The sanding pads adhere securely to the hand sander, acting like a Velcro adhesion material. This allows for quick and effortless disc changes, enhancing overall efficiency in your tasks. With variable speed control powered by a robust 2.5 amp motor, this sander provides a speed range from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute, OPM. This versatility ensures seamless matching of speed to different workpieces and tasks, offering precision and control. The dust collection system on the BOSCH Orbital Sander is top-notch. Featuring a microfilter system capable of trapping particles as small as a 1-2 micron in diameter, it keeps your workspace clean and breathable. The durable and compact dust canister, displaying the dust level, easily detaches for mess-free tasks. In summary, the BOSCH Orbital Sander is a reliable companion for achieving impeccable finishes. Its combination of advanced features such as the pad dampening system, easy disc attachment, variable speed control, and effective dust collection make it a standout choice for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. In conclusion, these top orbital sanders redefine precision and efficiency in woodworking. Whether it's the powerful GoGonova, versatile CRAFTSMAN, or innovative BOSCH, each excels in delivering smooth finishes. Share your thoughts below. Comment on your favorite or share your experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Happy sanding!